Hey kids, I'm Batman, and I'm here to talk to you today about microwave safety. There are some things that are bad to put in the microwave, so you shouldn't put them in there. Spoons, forks, or anything else that's metal is not a good thing to put in the microwave. Plastic can also melt at high temperatures, so make sure everything you put in there is microwave safe. One of the most important rules of microwave safety: make sure you never put any live animals in the microwave. So remember kids, be careful of things you put in the microwave. Otherwise, bad things can happen. And I won't be there. There's some bad things,